Hi, we are Team Intellis, and we are excited to present our project Technova Multi-Agent CRM System, a next-generation AI-driven customer acquisition and relationship management platform. So, before diving into the demo, let's have a quick background story about Technova. So, Technova is a hypothetical B2B consulting firm that helps enterprise clients accelerate their digital transformation journey, particularly in areas of cloud computing, AI automation, and data analytics. They offer consulting services to companies that want to modernize their data pipelines, deploy AI models efficiently, and optimize their MLOps workflows. However, one big challenge they face is identifying the right potential clients and managing early outreach efficiently. Finding decision makers on LinkedIn or Crunchbase is both time consuming and expensive. Manually sending follow up emails or scheduling discovery calls takes away valuable time from their actual client work. So, we wanted to build a system that automates client customer discovery, engagement, and meeting coordination while still keeping a human in the loop for approvals. That's exactly why we built Technova Multi Agent CRM powered by a LangGraph based multi agent architecture. So before actually going to the demo, let's talk about a design choice that we made. So we are using synthetic data for the customers for your companies instead of relying on the APIs of LinkedIn or Crunchbase because both these APIs are very expensive. But however, even if we use them, we could have got the JSON like response like we have for the synthetic data. So uh, there are a few fields that we have in the synthetic clients. The first one is company name. The second is industry. Third is the employees, and fourth location, tech stack, company description, contact email, and intent score. So currently, as you can see, the intent score is zero for all the companies over here. The reason being, we want our recruitment agent to come up with this intent score based on the company description, based on the tech stack, and based on the industry they are in, because as you know that Technova only provides consulting services to IT companies or companies that are dealing with AI or are in cloud infrastructure. So as you can see, our best guess is that if we want to generate top two leads, our recruitment agent is going to generate Cloud Expert and Neura Edge Analytics are our top two leads, because the third company is more related to pharmaceuticals. And for both the companies, I've given my own email address. One is my Gmail, and the second is my UMD ID. So let's start with the demo part. Uh, let's proceed with the agent purpose. This was your landing page. We'll go to the lead generation. So recruitment agent is going to do the lead generation for us, and we have four agents in total. The first one is recruitment. The second is your interaction agents, which will outreach and reply to the customers. And third one is the scheduler agent, which will check for replies, passes availability details, and books meetings automatically using Google Calendar registration. And the fourth one will be the insights, which will generate insights based on the customer and the user's interaction call transcripts. So let's start with the recruitment agent. So it's running. So as you can see, and this was our guess as well, that Cloud Expert and Neura Edge Analytics are going to be the top two leads because they are related to the AI and cloud industries. So and now the model has also generated an intent score for both these companies. So for Cloud Expert it's 0.95 and Neura Edge Analytics it's 0.88. So once it has been generated, what we'll do is we'll outreach to these companies. So we'll go to the emails agent and we'll first generate the email drafts. So these emails will be generated. These are all our personalized emails generated based on the company's description, based on the type of industry they are in. So this goes to the LM. All this information goes to the our interaction agent and generates the email drafts for us. So as you can see, the for the Cloud Expert, it's mostly related to the MLOps, and it's looking for cloud migration. So that's what the email talks about. I just mentioned about how Technova Consulting can help them in the migration and all. And so all these fields are your placeholders; they can easily be filled. So I'll just go ahead and approve this one, and I will also go ahead. So this is related to the AI again. It's predictive analytics in retail and manufacturing. So I'll go ahead and approve this one as well, and I'll send the approved emails. Once it is sent, we'll get the message. As you can see, that email has been sent to these two customers, and both of them are my account. So let's do one thing. Go to the sunny19 at the rate umdu.edu, which is nothing but our Neura Edge analytics. So I will go. Yes, I have received an email from Technova. So this is the response. So this is the email that I've got. So what I'll do is, yes, I'm interested in consulting. Mine. I'll also give her my availability for the meeting to set up the discovery call. It is next Tuesday, November 18th, 2025. Let's say at 3:30 p.m. So I'll send the mail. So the mail has been sent now. We'll go back to our UI. So what I'll do, I'll check for replies. So we are waiting for customer replies. So reply has been detected because we sent the reply from survey 19. So we have got the reply from your Neura Edge Analytics. What's the reply? The reply is yes, I'm interested, and the next availability is Tuesday, November 18, 2025. So what I'll go, the meeting agent, the scheduler agent, what it's going to do is schedule the meeting based on the appointment details it got. So it will go ahead and schedule the meeting for us. So so meeting has been successfully scheduled. Let's check if we got the calendar invite or not. So yes, we did get a calendar invite from Technova Discovery Call. So these are the details. I'll go ahead and just say yes or whatever. But the thing is, once the meeting has been scheduled, the call will the customers and the customer and the users, they can get on a call on a Google Meet, and what the user can do, it can request the customer for to record the call, and that way we can get the call logs. So once we have the call logs, then we can go to the analytics agent, which is a post call insights. So what it will do is, it will run the analysis, like it will generate some summaries, it will generate some top themes that were discussed, it will generate the pain points of the customer. So basically all sorts of text and analytics it will perform on the call logs. Uh, Again, for the demo purpose, since no meetings were scheduled, I just use some synthetic call transcript for this. I'll run it, and as you can see, it's running. So it has generated us the entire thing, the summary, the top themes that were discussed in the call transcript, the pain points, the next best action, and everything. And it has been saved to your summary dot summary.txt file, which is over here. So those were the agents that we have, and we also have an activity log where you can see that how the agents were in play. And there is also one more agent, supervisor agent, which is responsible for supervising and orchestrating the data flow or the state flow across all these agents. And obviously, system activity log is tracking everything. So to conclude, I would say that Technova multi-agent CRM system demonstrates how LangGraph and agentic AI workflows can transform traditional business processes. Instead of manually searching, emailing, and scheduling, we now have automated lead discovery, personalized email generation, real-time inbox monitoring and scheduling, and intelligent post-call analytics. Thank you for watching.